tell you about a special Christmas offering we're going to receive next Sunday. This Sunday is for our normal tithes and offerings, and we'll have that opportunity again next week. But next week, we're going to receive a Christmas offering, and there are four things it's going to go to. The first one is we get a chance to bless our team that's going to Cambodia in January. We have a team that's going in the middle of January. They were there 2 years ago, and they're partnering up with our Foursquare missionaries there, Ted and Sue Ulbrich, who are overseeing 108 orphan homes across their country. And they are doing such significant work, you guys. It's so worth investing in. Missionologists from around the world are coming to see what Ted and Sue have put together, because they're taking kids that were orphans, that were abandoned by people, turning them into children of promise. And they're literally creating the infrastructure for the entire nation of Cambodia by bringing strong Christian young people that turn into leaders and turn into judges and that aren't corrupt, and lawyers that know how to really advocate for people, and all the different trades all the way through. So it's a remarkable work that we get to be a part of. And out of those 108 orphanages, they're going to be focusing on one particular one that needs help. They're going to be building a fence around the property so the kids can play there safely and have boundaries for the school. They're going to be repainting the facility. They're going to be building tables for the kids so they can have a place to sit and eat, but also to study the Word of God and all that. So significant work, all going to be done in a short amount of time. And they've been dutifully raising all kinds of funds themselves to go. But this offering will help them kind of finish the last stuff that's needed in order to get them there and to change the world. So this Christmas, you get to make a difference in a country all the way on the other side of the world, which we love. And then secondly, this offering will help us put new carpet in this building. Today is the 1-year anniversary of us shoving our kids out of their facility and moving over here because our main facility was storm damaged so bad that we can't meet in there. And this carpet has had more people on it than it was ever made to do in a short amount of time. And so it is all the way at the end of its useful life, as they say. So we're going to be replacing the carpet in here. We have one more classroom in the back that wasn't replaced during the flood. And a little bit of the hallway. So that's going to help us do that. We're also going to be putting lighting on our new signs out there. The signs that we put up during our landscape project are really helpful to us, but there's 40 to 50,000 cars a day that go by this site, and at this time of year, the afternoon commute is in the dark, and so we'd love them to know that we're here, and the lighting will help us do that. When they did the landscape, they put all the chase conduit in there that needs to be there, but this will allow us to put the electrical lines in there and get it all hooked up. So you'll be doing that. And lastly, and some of you are going to like this one, we're going to be also giving to a new monitor system for our wonderful gifted people that are up here that actually go right in their ears, and that'll allow us to moderate our volume levels better. And so for those of you that have been noticing that it's a lot of sound for this small building, that we hope will really help us with that, as well as help equip them to do their very best. And man, we are gifted with these people, and they'll be able to do a much better job even than they already do with that resource. So that offering is going to do a lot. And so we wanted to let you know a week ahead of time so you had time to pray and ask God what you can give. We have been amazed through the years what happens when everybody gives something. Small gifts, big gifts, and everything in between. When everybody just determines, I'm not getting left out of that. I'm going to give God and my church a Christmas gift as well as all the other Christmas gifts I'm giving this year. It's remarkable what happens.